Forward. The train is going forward. Backward. The train is going backward. Left. The train is turning left. Right. The train is turning right. Up. The train is going up the hill. Down. The train is going down the hill. In. The train is going in the tunnel. Out. The train is going out of the tunnel. Big. The red train is big. Small. The blue train is small. Fast. The blue train is fast. Slow. The red train is slow. Over. The train is going over the bridge. Under. The train is going under the bridge. Stop. The blue train is stopping. Go. The red train is going. Short. The red train is short. Long. The blue train is long.